Get ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. This special leave petition has been filed against the judgment and order dated 24th April 2008, passed in writ petition number 28 of 2006 by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by which the writ petition against the order of the dismissal of the petitioner's application and successful appeals under the Right to Information Act 2005 has been dismissed. In the said petition, the direction was sought by the petitioner to the respondent number 1 provide information as asked by him while his application dated 15th November 2004 from the respondent numbers for a judicial officer as for what reasons the respondent number 4 had decided his miscellaneous appeal dishonestly. Stop. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are that the petitioner claimed to be in exclusive possession of the land in respect of which civil suit number 810 of 2000 was filed before additional civil judge Ranga district, praying for perpetual injunction by Dr. Rao against the petitioner and another from entering into the suit land. Stop. Application filed for interim relief in the said suit stood dismissed. Stop. Being aggrieved, the plaintiff herein preferred CMA number 180 of 2000 and the same was also dismissed. Stop. Two other suits were filed in respect of the same property, impleading the petitioner also as the defendant. Stop. In one of the suits, OS number 875 of 2003, the trial court granted temporary injunction against the petitioner. Stop. Being aggrieved, petitioner preferred the CMA number 64 of 2003, which was dismissed by the appellate court. Respondent number 4, wide order dated 10th August 2004. Petitioner filed an application dated 15th November 2004 under section 4 of the RTI Act before the administrative officer cum assistant state public information officer, respondent number 1, seeking information to the queries mentioned herein. Stop. The said application was rejected. Wide order dated 23rd November 2004 and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed. Wide order dated 20th January 2005. Second appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the Andhra Pradesh State Information Commission. Wide order. The petitioner challenged the said order before the High Court, seeking a direction to the respondent number 1 to furnish the required information immediately stop.